of cooking with Natty. So today's video is gonna be about how to make caramel custard. So I'll be showing you how to make caramel custard in a easy way, like people who wants to try out how to make how to make custard and cooking and all. You can guys stay tuned to my channel so that you'll know all the dishes I'll be making, and yeah, these are like things I'll be showing you and all. So yeah, before going into the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and next to it you'll find a bell button. Click it on so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload my video. And also follow me on my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. I'll be leaving all the links below in the description box, so please go check it out. And now let's get into the video.
First things first, make sure you wash your hands properly so that you are clean and hygiene. Things you will be needing are a mold, vanilla essence, milk, sugar, a container for mixing, saucepan, beater and egg. You'll also need a baking tray. First thing is break the egg into the container and make sure you beat it nicely so that the white and yellow mix up. Once you are done, add sugar. I'm adding 6 teaspoons of sugar. If you want more sweetness, you can add more sugar. It depends on your taste, but I'm just adding 6 teaspoons of sugar to it. You can also add powdered sugar if you are comfortable with it. So make sure you mix it so that the sugar melts with the egg. Now take the vanilla essence, add 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence to it. If you are making it in a more quantity, you can add more vanilla essence so that you won't get the egg smell or odor. Now add 1 cup of milk. This milk is boiled and cooled. So don't add hot milk so that it might spoil the egg. Everything in custard is like you need to mix everything properly. Mixing is the main thing. Once you're done with the mixing, everything is done. Now I'm done with the mixing, so I'm placing a saucepan on a stove and adding 2 teaspoons of sugar. If you want, you can add a little bit of water if you're making it for the first time, and keep mixing it. You'll start seeing something like this, melted sugar, and keep stirring it properly so that it won't stick onto the pan. After 1 or 2 minutes, you'll start seeing the change in the color. It will turn something into golden brown color. Start mixing it, and you'll start getting the nice caramelized sugar aroma. Once you're done with it, pour the caramelized sugar into your mold and spread it. Preheat your oven for 180 degrees, and once you hear that beep sound, place your custard in it. Before that, in a baking tray, I'm pouring boiled water so that it won't burn my custard. Place your mold and make sure your caramelized sugar is hard, and pour your custard in it and place it in the oven for 45 minutes. Once it is done, take it out and check with the toothpick or a fork or a knife so that the knife comes out clear. If it is clear, it is done, and let it cool and place it in a refrigerator, and you're ready to eat your custard.